ladies, gents, and mga ka-half and half, welcome to our podcast. Again, my name is Che, and this is my Ulo friend Gian, and we are the Ulo Opinions. Welcome, guys. Welcome to last episode of Pride Month. Proud of you guys. Maraming salamat. Sa mga nanood nung previous episodes namin, like Zan and Mika's episode, thank you guys. Thank you for the support. And hope na you guys continue to give us a listen or, give us whatever you want to give us, yeah, anyway guys, for our last Pride Month episode, we're just gonna get something from Reddit. It's kind of like a confession or like a question. Now we just want to give our own ul opinion. So yeah, Siri, take it away. Siri.
Parents against LGBT. What if your kid said they were gay or trans, etc.? If your kid came out as LGBT+, would you disown them? Would you kick them out of your house? Would you accept them how they are? This isn't meant to judge anyone on any side of this issue. I just basically want to know why so many gay people say they were disowned by Christian family members. Like, what is the thought process behind disowning, and is this still an issue in today's world? I don't want arguments, just to understand if and why it still happens. Thanks for your input.
All right. Thank you. Wait, my bigote is kinda,
Akalain mo mas nare-recognize niya
I
yung
know,
mic.
medyo nawawala eh. So, wait lang. Yan. Anyway, thank you so much, Sere. Thank you for the wonderful question or wonderful confession or whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, my half brother Gian, how do you wanna give your own opinion? Do you wanna you wanna cry first? You
Parang
wanna
ang
laugh?
Briton na may pagka-Chinese.
I know, right? That's what, every time I try to speak ng British, laging ganun, nagiging Chinese yung sound eh. You're so rubbish.
So, yan medyo mabigat na question.
Mhm.
Especially, right now, hindi ko naman siya na experience. Good for me. Pero, ayun nga, just like what we have discussed before, it doesn't mean na hindi siya nangyayari. So, nakakalungkot na up until now, and then, kasi, may sinight talaga na religion. So, nakakatuwa at some point na talagang may mga Christian na ngayon na talagang di mo mapapil na ginajudge ka.
Mhm.
Na tatanggapin ka. Hindi lang sa family, even with friends, colleagues. Meron talaga na tatanggapin ka, and unfortunately, talagang meron din na parang mawawala, di ba? Which is nakakalungkot. Siguro ang masasabi ko lang is, ako, part din nata siya sa Kristyanismo, no? Sa
Mhm.
pagkakalam ko. Na, ako, if yung si baby, if ever, hindi aabot sa point na talagang i-disown ko. Siguro, not because ganito ako, not because I'm part, but it's more of being a parent kasi parang mas lamang yung pagmamahal mo more than kahit anong parang pwedeng maging pagkakamali, let's say pagkakamali, flaws, or even sa identity ng magiging anak. Parang at the end of the day, di ba? Parang si bro, di ba? Kahit gaano ka kasamang tao, all you have to do is mag-sorry, and then yun naman yung tinuturo na simbahan. You just have to say sorry and acknowledge and tanggapin siya ulit, and mamahalin ka niya ulit, tatanggapin ka niya. Actually, hindi ka pa nga daw nanghihingi ng tawad, pinapatawad ka na niya. Ganon din tayo. Diba? So, medyo, guys, I know this is a little parang religion sensitive, pero sobrang ganda niya kasi talagang pag-usapan. Especially Pride Month ngayon. And ayun, nakakatuwa kasi like may mga nakita akong mga photos ng parents dito sa nakaraang Pride March dito sa Philippines na parang free hugs from tatay, free hugs from nanay. Tapos parang minsan ang daming yumakap sa kanila. Tapos minsan tatanungin mo, yumakap pa sila because they're happy or maybe they just really wanted to experience that kahit mayakap lang ng parents nila after coming out, no?
Yeah.
And parang ang lungkot-lungkot nun sa side ng isang tao na na-measure mo, kapag dinesown ka ng parents mo, parang na-measure mo agad yung pagmamahal ng magulang mo sa pag-out mo. Kasi, di ba, hindi ka nila tinanggap, tinakwil ka nila.
Yeah.
Just because parang ang babaw talaga, ang babaw. Kasi pag sinabi mong pagmamahal ng magulang, sobrang laki ng expectations dyan. Ayun. Ikaw naman ka, brother. Alam ko, hindi mo rin ito naranasan. Ikaw yung pinaka-smooth transition sa buhay eh. So, pero ano bang
Nandito ka ba nung first episode natin para sabihin mo sa akin hindi ko naranasan to?
I mean, mas ano naman. Tsaka tanggap ka naman.
Really?
Oo, tanggap ka pa din. Yung iba dinis-own nga eh. Yung topic natin is dinis-own.
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna go back dun sa first episode natin, when I mean, I was really out naman na, pero I'm just gonna go back dun sa point na
Iyak ka ulit.
Tabay buwaga! No, I'm just gonna go back dun sa, dun sa part na it was my own sister nga, right? It was my own sister na talagang hindi ka dapat ganyan kasi ganito ka, ganyan ka, right? So, alam mo yun, it was like her na talagang, yeah, it's just really, I don't know, like something just probably like, or she just probably realized it. That's why sometimes igigas ko dito yan si Romana eh. Tanungin ko ano nagbago dyan eh. Joke lang. But, yes, I know it's like, yung topic na to. Pero, and I'm not trying to offend yung, or the Christian world or Catholic or whatever religion you're in right now. Pero I'm just trying to say, based on my own experience nga kasi na, yun nga, it was my sister. And again, like, babalik ulit ako from our previous episode na, I mean, not previous, but like our first episode na tinanong ko naman talaga si ate, like, like when I'm about to attend this retreat, I don't want to, I mean, like, I want to learn, but then, like, I didn't want to because I'm scared na ma-judge, right? Na, ba't ka atin, ganyan ka, alam mo yun yung mga ganon. But, yun nga, like, siya mismo, yung nagsasabi sa akin na, ano yan? I don't know I forgot how she said it, pero it was, parang it
sabi mo,
sounds
she
so
said na
good.
na family mo nga tinanggap ka. Tapos
Yes,
bakit
si Lord
sa'yo?
pa kaya. Parang gano'n.
Ano?
So, no, yun yung sagot
Oo,
niya.
Okay.
Yun yung
Oo.
sagot niya dun sa mga nagtanong. Like, parang, how about, yung parang like yung sinabi mo with your baby. So, if I asked you, I think I remember, I know I asked you last week, right? Na, what if, si Jiro, like, alam mo yung mag-end up na gano'n? What are you gonna do, di ba? I mean, yun nga, like what you said, not because you're like that, you're gonna accept, but like, pero syempre, ikaw nga mismo, inihiling mo na sana straight siya. Right? Pero if it comes to a time, like sa time na like, alam mo yun na hindi, then you still gonna accept like him, right? So, I mean, like for me, it's just the same thing na may yung sister ko, yun nga na, tinatanong ata siya, like yun nga, like parang, how is she taking it? Diba? Pero, I think, sagot niya nga gano'n na parang alam mo yun, I really don't know how, but then it's something about like a family na I was accepted nga, parang ganun, or si Lord nga, like basta ganun na parang tinanggap siya, bakit ako hindi ko siya matanggap, right? So yun yung point, right? Anyway, in regards to the question, siguro like that person or that kid was disowned kasi maybe hardcore Christian yung parents na hindi na sila nagiging like open-minded, like parang yung kind of like a blind-sided na Christian, na alam mo yun, na parang they just followed like whatever's in the book, but then it's not becoming open what really the book says. They just follow it, but alam mo yun, hindi naman talaga nila iniintindi talaga ano yung sinasabi nun, or ano yung gusto yung ipahayag nun, alam mo yun, kasi nga parang like para lang silang kabayo, like going straight, right? Like you can't like like turn left, I mean like look left or right. So that's what I'm just thinking, yung kaya nagawa ng family yun. Pero it's kind of sad kasi like anak mo yan eh, and alam mo yun na bakit mo i-disown, right? So but again, our previous episodes, guys, there will be a time na these parents will really realize it. Yun nga lang, hopefully it's not too late. But
Late. Yun nga.
yes, hopefully it's not too late, but yes, they will realize it.
Yeah. Too late in the sense na baka lumayo na talaga yung anak nila
Yeah.
because hindi na kaya, cut
Mhm.
off na. Especially right now, yung mga, di ba nga napapag-usapan natin sa generation na to, sobrang dali sa mga, I mean, hindi naman siguro sobrang dali, pero they would rather lose you than maging toxic yung buhay nila.
Mhm.
And ayun, sana sila parents mas ano na lang, mas mahalin, and kasi kung hindi nyo yan gagawin para sa mga anak nyo,
Yeah.
no one would do it, diba?
Mhm.
And nakakalungkot nga na talagang nangyayari siya until now. Kasi akala natin parang closed, ano na yun eh, given
Yes.
na yun nga, learning na yung ano. Pero nakakalungkot na meron pa rin talagang ganun na sana yung mga future kids, no, na ipapanganak pa lang, hindi na nila yung experience.
Yeah.
Ayun lang naman yung sagot natin, no?
Yes, yun lang. And for me, like siguro I know, like I just wanna add, like yeah, religion, it's kind of like really a sensitive topic, pero there's so many na alam mo yun, iba-iba lang talaga yung paniniwala nila, right? And like depende lang talaga sa paniniwala nila, but like for me, there's really only one, right? And itong Diyos na to, eh, alam mo yun, we don't
Pagmahalan
wanna
mo.
bring it to our topic actually, like I don't wanna really involve like yung mga ganon, but yeah, yung sa akin lang talaga is, alam mo yun, like ang dami lang belief, pero I just believe in one, alam mo yun. So doesn't matter what anong religion ka, right? Pero siguro sa akin, alam mo, advice ko na lang sa maybe yung sa parents nito, if mapanood man yan to, but siguro sa sobrang old school nito, hindi niya to mapapanood. Joke. But yeah, if ever man nga makama-cross to dun sa parents nito, and alam mo yun, and sa mga soon to be parents na medyo we're going kind of like blindsided, and it's still like like still comparing yung before sa ngayon. Yeah, I hope like whatever you're doing, whatever you're deciding, I hope hindi mo siya pagsisisihan in the end. And yeah, but soon to be parents or yung mga loving parents dyan, plus like
Salute sa mga
if
no?
if ever man you guys end up like having an LGBT like like kids, or you already have LGBT kids, and hindi ka pa rin open na i-accept, or like di ka open na, alam mo yun, or like nanghihinayang ka or ganito ganyan, please don't. Kasi like yung anak mong yan, like your family is gonna be more open, it's gonna be happier, and yeah, and life is short, guys. Life is short. Like parents, life is very short. Like we don't wanna be in a position na kung kailang nasa 6 feet below the ground, tsaka tayo like, oh, sana ganito, sana ganyan, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So that's just mine. Alam mo yun. But again, I'm not here to offend anyone, to offend any parents. Joke lang
Baka
po.
sabihin kasi nila ganito tayo, biased. Hindi kasi
No.
ayan si Che, may mga pamangkin yan. Diba?
Yeah.
Ako din, part kay baby, may mga pamangkin kami. And at the end of the day, we only want what's best for the kids, and kung anong makakapagpasaya sa kanila. And if this is what makes them happy, bakit mo pipigilan? 'Di ba? Who are
Yeah.
you to judge na
Yeah.
kasalanan to or what? Hindi ganyan yung Lord namin. Iba ba yung Lord nyo? Kasi yung Lord namin mapagmahal, tinatanggap lahat at alam niya na ginawa niya lahat ng nabubuhay sa mundo. So,
Yeah.
ayun, yun lang naman.
Yeah, same
Mas
thing with you.
magmahalan
I mean,
tayo.
yeah, same thing with you. Like yung Jiro, you want it like ganito. I didn't even like wish na pamangkin ko kailangan maging katulad ko, you know? No, right? But, you know, whatever life takes them, I'm here to just support them, right? I'm
Yes.
here as their tato, ready to support them to whatever, you know, path they want to take, right? But it's not me to decide. It's like their parents
Exactly.
anyway. But you know, and I'm not here to judge, right? So yeah, that's just mine. And I have friends na alam mo yun, they, I don't know, like
Saka to, baka sabihin nila ka-brother na sinasabi natin na sana straight na lang. Actually, oo, sinasabi namin na sana straight na lang kasi ang sakit na makikita mo yung anak mo facing the same discrimination, same na treatment ng society na hindi pa naman talagang totally wiped out. So yes, kung papipiliin kami straight na lang para hindi na nila maranasan yung pain.
Honestly,
Diba?
alam mo, kahit naman straight sila, like, they will still go through all these, like, discrimination and all, because, like,
Pero iba pa din.
yeah, it's kind of like, sometimes it's kind of, like, scary, too, because, like, what if, di ba, like, ang mangyayari is yung, may mga kids or, like, you know, parents na pinalaki yung anak nila na di open sa ganon, and then malalaman nila na, like, you know, my nephew and my niece, parang, meron silang tita na alam mo yun,
Yeah.
diba? And then syempre like sila yung mabubully because of that, right? But you know, it's really up to us naman na alam mo yun, like how you raise these kids, right? Na
Exactly.
it doesn't matter what other people will say, diba? It's the love, it's the bond na, you know, that will make it stronger. So whatever they say, you know, like these kids will probably know the reason why, right? But yeah, you know, it's kind of like a sensitive topic, a serious topic for me. It's kind of like, yeah, it's emotional, you know, syempre like a family is involved, but yeah, like for me, yung parents na yan na nag-disown sa child nila, like, well, good luck sa inyo kasi you'll probably regret it sa dulo na.
Definitely.
Right? So, yeah, please don't take that path, you know, unless, alam mo yun, again, there's only one person that can really judge everyone. So, and it's not you, right? So, yeah, guys, mga ka-half and half, that's just my take. Again, I'm not trying to offend anyone. I'm not trying to argue. But yeah, guys, yeah, like for me, if you are open or if you're a parent, you know, listening to this and you want to like, you know, be our guest and just say your own, you know, like, you know, whatever you feel, you know, or your own reason where you're coming from, then feel free to contact us, you know, message us, or yeah, just give your own opinion, right? We're open to that, you know. Triangian@gmail.com, don't forget that. And anything to add, my half brother?
I'm good, baka maging emotional na tayo dito. Hindi nakakaganda sa sa bigoted pulpas.
You know, nakakapogi pa naman to. Kamukha ko na dito yung tatay ko, eh. Sup, Benoy? Nawawa si Ponga. Hey, Ponga! Alright, guys, this is Che again, and this is my Ulo friend, Gian. We are the Ulo Opinion. Peace out. Signing out.